Hello everyone, welcome to creating animated videos quickly with the AI Video Bot. We're going to go over here to the left hand side and click on AI Video Bot. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Create Video. So here we have it loaded. Now this is the AI Video Bot and it will guide you step by step to create your animated video using artificial intelligence. If you're taking a look at a lot of marketing products nowadays, you'll see that artificial intelligence has become quite prominent, not only to create videos, but to do a lot of important functions. So let's go ahead and test our AI bot. We're going to click here and type in important tips to consider when picking the right digital marketing agency. Important tips to consider when picking the right digital marketing agency. And I'm going to hit submit. So now we have two options. We can do portrait or landscape, and we want to see what's going to come out. I'm going to hit portrait. Now we have to choose a template. I'm going to click on choose template, and it's going to give me a bunch of templates that I can use. You can see all the different templates. I'm going to choose this template. So now we've collected all the data, and it's going to create a video. So in a few simple clicks, we can get it done, and we have a beautiful video ready for us. So what we're looking at now, what the bot specifically did is generate 5 different slides relevant to the key phrase that I submitted. And here we want to create a short video related to important tips to consider when picking the right digital marketing agency. So the AI bot went ahead with all the information we just input, as you saw, and created 5 slides, each one containing an important tip to consider when creating the right digital marketing agency. So that's how simple it is. You just go ahead, put in a keyword, and it'll give you the information that you want. Now, when you're working with this, I highly recommend that you only edit what's necessary in each slide. You know, if you just change the text and the logo, that'll work. And that's going to make things a lot simpler, so you're not trying to change everything. So first, we want to remove the logo from the first slide. So I'm going to click on the logo right here, and I'm going to click delete. Now, I have different options here. You can see I'm going to go ahead and upload a new logo. So go ahead and I'm going to save a logo to my computer, and then we'll come back and upload it onto the slide. So now that we've gone ahead and downloaded our logo, I click on upload here, and we have the options here on the left hand side. I click choose file. I come to downloads. That's generally where it will be, depending on where you put the information. I'm going to go ahead and get my logo. Now we can see we have our logo here, but the logo's not quite fitting the way I want. So I can take these buttons on the side, and I can go ahead and resize it. So now we have it resized, and this is looking good. So when you bring your logo in, or you bring other images in, now just note that every slide will come with AI text relevant to the key phrase. So that's going to help you out with your marketing. But if you want to change something, you definitely can. Now we can go ahead and make the text a little bit bigger. We can play around with it, and we can see the different things we can do. So aside from the selector, we have the text here. And what we can do with the text is come here with the plus sign and then simply add text. As you can see, your text goes here. And if we don't want the text, we can simply go ahead and delete it out. We took a look at the upload button to get our logo, but simply this is for files on your local computer. What we want to do is use this to get files on our local computer, upload them here, and resize them as such. Now, if you don't want to use files on your local computer, you can search an image, and you can even pick a platform, Pixels, Pexabay, Unsplash. These are all image sharing websites that give you royalty-free images, and you can click search here and get a bunch of images, in case you don't want to upload a direct image here or upload something else. Then we have AI content. As we saw, we can enter keywords here, select the language and the content type, and this generates AI content we can use in our story. So this is going to be useful if I type in something like marketing, select the content type. Maybe I just want captions. And I have a bunch of different languages that I can use here. So you want to pick the language that's going to work best for you, whatever it is. And you can go ahead and generate. That's how easy it is to do. And you can see there's a bunch of content here, so go ahead and play around with this and generate the content that you want. Also, we can generate AI graphics. So I can come here, type in marketing, select size, and click generate. We can see some images, some AI graphics that we can use here. And we also have emojis. And then, finally, story time, frame duration, and the different seconds, or you can do it according to your voiceover if you so choose. So, now that we have this, go ahead and edit everything. It's pretty simple to do. Put our phone here. And we just simply go to the next frame. And that's how easy it is to do it. So we're going to go ahead and edit the rest of the slides. So let's go ahead, edit this slide out. And one thing that I recommend, especially as you finish a slide, go ahead and hit Save Slide. That way you don't lose any work and you can come back. So let's go to the next slide. So now we've reached the final slide. I hit Save. I hit Export. And say you sure you want to export the video? Yes, let's export. So we have some options here. We can click choose music first, and this will give us some music right here. So you can choose any music of your choice. And you can also upload music if you want with the upload music button here. So let's go ahead and get some music. We're going to keep the background volume the same. You can change this if you'd like. I'm going to click choose and export. So now we have our video processing, and we're just going to wait for it to finish. So now we can see our video has been completed. You also have the ability to download it to your local desktop and preview it there as well. In addition, you can go back and edit some of the video, change stuff up. If there's something else you wanted to add or something you forgot, you can go here, click edit, and go ahead and play with each frame like we just did previously. In addition, you can also delete this video, and it will ask you before you delete it. Now, if you do, you will not be able to revert it. And you have the ability to share the video.